Today we are going to talk about exothermic reactions, okay, and past paper questions. So first question is alkanes are homologous series of hydrocarbons, which are made by cracking large alkane molecules. Polyethylene is produced by polymerization of ethane. This reaction is exothermic. State the meaning of exothermic reaction. Simply, the thermal energy is released in the reaction and transfer reaction that transfer thermal energy or reactions that gives out heat. Okay, so there are different definitions of exothermic. Simple is release of heat after reaction, release of heat after reaction, release of heat in reaction. Okay, so now show the path diagram for this reaction. Explain how the reaction pathway diagram shows that the reaction is exothermic. Okay, the energy level of reaction is higher than the energy level of the products. Okay, so that is energy level of reactants are higher than energy of level of products. So this energy that is from here to here has been released. That is called delta H. We know delta H is negative because, for example, that is 60. It is moved from 60 to 20 kilojoules, so that 40 kilojoules of energy will be released in the atmosphere. Okay, now question number 2. The question is about metals and compounds of metal. Magnesium chloride is produced when magnesium burns in chlorine. Mg plus Cl2 gives us MgCl2. Okay, shows the incomplete reaction pathway diagram for this reaction. Okay, complete by writing the formula on the diagram. Okay, so that here we have reactants, so that is Mg plus Cl, and here we have MgCl2, that is MgCl2. Okay, so that is the complete. Explain how and show that the reaction is exothermic. Again, same concept. This energy that we can see has been removed from these molecules, so this energy will be released out into the environment. So energy is given out, so that is a exothermic reaction. Question number 3. The reaction of sulfur and a compound of sulfur. The sulfur burns in oxygen to produce sulfur dioxide. Show the complete incomplete pathway diagram for this reaction. So writing this formula, complete the these formulas on the diagram. So okay, so simply there is products that are S plus O2 gives us SO2. Okay, so that's a simple. So explain what is done by again that energy has been given out into the surrounding. So that is a definition. Complete the sentence. So exothermic reaction transfer thermal energy to the surrounding. So that is the right answer. Okay. Okay. Question number 4. This is about the chlorine and compounds of chlorine. The chlorine reacts with phosphorus to produce phosphorus 4 oxide. Balance the equation. So there is 2p. So we will multiply. Mul- First, I will zoom in because it's so that is 2 because PL5, so we will multiply this with 5, so that would be 10. So on both sides we have 10 chlorine and 2 phosphorus. What is meant by exothermic reaction? You have to memorize that release thermal energy into the surrounding or release heat into the surrounding. Remember that you can see these are the past papers for 2021 to 2024, so you can see how many times they have asked that question. This is a question about acid and base. Okay. The reaction of hydrochloric acid with calcium oxide is exothermic. State the term exothermic that release heat into the environment or release heat. Okay. Energy level of the diagram is with calcium oxide is show there is a reactant and there is a product. Okay. So how the energy level diagram show the reaction is exothermic. So we know that from this diagram, so there is a drop from reactant to product in the energy level. So this energy will be released into the surrounding. So that's why reactant has more energy than the product. So this reaction is exothermic. Most of you guys don't subscribe to my channel, and if you want to take online classes, contact us, and we will help you to find the greatest teacher we available for that.